Master microservices architecture, principles, design, and real-world applications. Have you ever wondered how tech giants like Amazon, Netflix, and Google manage to scale their systems while staying agile and reliable? The answer lies in one game-changing approach: microservices architecture. In this video, we'll uncover the principles that make microservices a revolutionary design pattern, explore their benefits and challenges, and share real-world examples that will inspire you to implement them in your own projects. Stick around. This is the knowledge you need to stay ahead in modern system design. So what exactly are microservices? Microservices. Architecture is an approach to software design where an application is broken down into smaller, independent services. Each service is responsible for a specific business capability and communicates with others through APIs. Think of it like a team of experts, each handling a specific task but working together to achieve a common goal. This modular approach makes microservices scalable, flexible, and resilient, perfect for today's fast-paced development environments. Here are the core principles of microservices architecture. 1. Single responsibility. Each service does one thing exceptionally well. 2. Independence. Services can be deployed, updated, and scaled independently. 3. Decentralized data management. Each service manages its own database, reducing dependencies. 4. API communication services interact through well-defined APIs, ensuring loose coupling. In short, microservices are the architects of efficiency, breaking down monolithic barriers to enable speed and scalability. Why are microservices so popular? Let's talk about their key benefits. Scalability, scale individual services based on demand, saving resources, faster development. Teams can work on services independently, speeding up releases. Resilience. If one service fails, the rest of the system continues to function. Flexibility. You can use different technologies for different services, optimizing performance. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Microservices come with their own set of challenges. Complexity. Managing multiple services requires robust orchestration and monitoring. Communication overhead. Inter-service communication can introduce latency and failure points. Data consistency. Maintaining consistency across decentralized databases can be tricky. Think of microservices like a Formula One car. High performance, but it requires skill and precision to drive. Here's how tech giants use microservices to stay ahead. Netflix runs thousands of microservices to deliver seamless streaming experiences worldwide. Amazon uses microservices to manage its massive e-commerce platform, from inventory to recommendations. Uber leverages microservices for real-time ride tracking, driver-rider matching, and payment processing. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when designing microservices. First, design for failure. Build resilient services with retries, timeouts, and fallbacks. Second, use containers. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes make deploying and managing microservices easier. Third, implement observability. Use monitoring and logging tools to track performance and detect issues. And finally, secure APIs. Protect inter-service communication with authentication and encryption. The key to mastering microservices is not just building them, it's building them well. To recap, first, microservices architecture breaks applications into independent, scalable services. Second, it's perfect for agile, resilient, and scalable systems but requires careful design to manage complexity. And third, by following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of microservices. In our next video, we'll dive into orchestration versus choreography in microservices. Don't miss it. If you're ready to take your system design skills to the next level, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me for the next episode. Because the future of software isn't just big, it's micro. Subscribe to Hustler Coder, Master Microservices Architecture, new videos every week.